Hello my dear class 10 students. Let us see one case based question from acids, bases and salts chapter. Okay, so here the question says, let us read the paragraph first. The acids are substances which have H plus ions and bases are the substances which have OH minus ions. Okay, indicators are those substances which change color with acidic or basic solutions, right? Okay, metals, metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates react with acids and release either hydrogen or carbon dioxide gas. So this is the information provided in this paragraph, right? So now using this paragraph, understanding this paragraph, now we need to solve these questions which are provided here. Look at this, which are the following statements are not true for hydrochloric acid. So just give a try. Yes, this is very easy, right? So just read the first option. It produces hydrogen gas when dissolved in water. So now what they are saying, when HCl acid when dissolved in water, they are saying it will produces hydrogen gas. Is this correct? No, right? So it is incorrect. Why? Because since it is an acid, whenever we place acids in the aqueous medium, they release H plus ions. Concentration of H plus ion is increased, but not hydrogen gas is released. Okay, only concentration of H plus ions is increased, like it will become H3O plus ion and Cl minus ions like this, but H2 gas is not evolved. So which is not true? So first option is not true. You need to choose that as your answer. Now let us read other options too. See, it liberates hydrogen gas when react with magnesium ribbon. So read once again. So magnesium ribbon you have to take and treat it with this HCl. Okay, so what you will get, take 2 moles, you will get magnesium chloride, okay, and H2 gas. Yes, here hydrogen gas is evolved. So our option 2 is perfectly correct. It liberates hydrogen gas, right? Hope it is clear. Second option is correct, first option is incorrect. That is why we have to choose second option, first option as our answer of this question. Now let us look into the option C. It means I just trying to verify all other options also whether they are correct or not. So this is how you need to analyze each and every option so that you can increase your analytical or thinking ability and making concept more clear and clear. Okay, so let us look into option C. It liberates carbon dioxide gas when react with sodium carbonate. Yes or no? See, sodium carbonate. Take Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, and now react it with HCl. So what it will liberates? Look, what is the answer we can get here? Yes, so here we will be getting, when you take these 2 moles, you will get 2 moles of NaCl is produced. Okay, this sodium and this chloride ions will combine to form 2 NaCl and 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. Out of these 3 will be forms H2O, and remaining product is what? C, carbon we have, and 2 oxygens. So CO2 gas is evolved during this process. So option 3, whatever they are saying, it liberates carbon dioxide gas when react with sodium carbonate is perfectly correct, right? So this is also perfectly correct. So incorrect one only option A. Now let us verify this third option also. What they are saying, it reacts with copper oxide to produce a greenish blue solution. Yes, that will be providing us what? Copper chloride, CuCl2 as a product. So the option D also perfectly correct. So B, C, D are correct. The only option which is incorrect is option number 1. So we need to choose 1 as our answer. Hope the question is very clear now. Now let us go with other question. Here we have question number 2. A solution in test tube A. So take test tube A here and test tube B here. Okay, we have these 2 test tubes. See, in test tube A solution turns red litmus to blue. So we are converting this red litmus converting into blue. So definitely what it is, red litmus converts into blue means that will be a basic solution, right? So what is this test tube A contains? it is a basic solution, we can understand, right? And we need to verify this with other data also. Let us read completely. And evolves hydrogen gas when it react with zinc. Let us say I have zinc metal, when let us say one basic medium they told now, let us say I am taking NaOH. So what it will be produces? It will produces sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2 plus H2 gas is produced here. So that is what they are saying. See, hydrogen gas is evolved on reaction with zinc and does not react with sodium carbonate. Yes, sodium carbonate will not react with NaOH as both are basic in nature only. Na2CO3 and NaOH. They won't react here now, so this won't react. So what is the solution present in this test tube here? That is what? NaOH solution, that is a basic solution, you can consider it. Now let us read about test tube B. Whereas solution in test tube B turns blue litmus to red. So blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red means what is this solution? It might be what? Acidic solution, because litmus paper whenever we keep in the acidic medium converts blue color to red color. Hope it is clear na? Litmus paper converts from blue color to red color, right? Next, it liberates hydrogen gas on reaction with zinc, right now. So for example, I have HCl, hydrochloric acid. So HCl on reaction with zinc, what will get? Zinc chloride, ZnCl2 will get, plus hydrogen gas is evolved. This is also perfectly right now. So evolves hydrogen gas, zinc, see, and hydrogen gas reaction with zinc, and evolves carbon dioxide gas with sodium carbonate. Yes, so just now we have seen sodium carbonate I have taken previously in the question number 1 also I have shown you this reaction. Now it is reacting with HCl, produces NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas is liberated in this process. So this is also perfectly right. So what is our solution of B test tube? It is acidic solution like HCl solution. So A contains base, B contains acid, right? Now choose the options, both A, B contains, no. See, A contains base, B contains acid. So option 2 is perfectly correct for this question, right? So this is how you need to analyze each and every option to improve your learning abilities, okay? To make your concept more clear using this case based study questions, okay? Now see, which are the following is not a base? See, caustic potash, it means what? Potash means K, potassium. Caustic means it is a basic one, right? So KOH. So slake lime, what is this? CaOH twice. These are also bases only. Now caustic soda, soda means sodium hydroxide. Sodium, caustic soda means sodium hydroxide. Common salt is what? NaCl. So first three are what? Strong, very strong bases. So which is not base here? NaCl is purely salt formed from the combination of strong acid like HCl and a strong base like NaOH, right? We are getting a salt which is neutral one. This is not a base, right? So you need to choose option D as your perfect answer, right? Hope it is clear. Now if you are really clear with this discussion, just click on the like button first so that upcoming videos, these videos will be suggested to more students like you. And you can also share with your friends, okay? Now we have one more question here. Which gas is evolved when acids react with metal carbonates? Yes, which gas is evolved? Just now we have seen HCl is an acid, react with metal carbonates like Na2CO3, okay? So which gas is evolved? We have seen CO2 gas is evolved along with NaCl plus H2O, right? Now I wanted to tell you, I wanted to get an answer for this. When I react calcium carbonate with HCl, what are the product formed here? What are the products like? X is a gas and Y is a salt, okay? And Z. What are X, Y, Z? I want answer for this particular question in the comment box based on the understanding of this discussion, okay? Next, we will be discussing on, so what is the gas produced? So option A is perfectly correct one. I want XYZ products in the comment box. Just give a try, nothing to worry. Just whatever the concept you have understood, apply over here, you will get a correct answer definitely. Even if it is wrong, I will help you in the comment box with your answer. Okay, no worries. Last question, read this. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, when added to acetic acid, CH3COOH, evolves a gas which of the following statements is true about the gas evolved. So which statement is true here? So what is the gas evolved here? So definitely it will neutralize. Okay, so we'll get CH3COONA first thing. Okay, this salt is formed. So after this, see this H plus and this H plus and one oxygen forms what? H2O, and what is the remaining part of this? That will be CO2 gas. So which gas is evolved here? CO2 gas is evolved, not hydrogen gas, it is CO2, carbon dioxide gas. Okay, now understand this. See, it turns lime water into milky. Yes, this is true only now. So calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gas will be giving us a lime water, milky lime water, like a you will be seeing it as a like lime color. Okay, I mean milky color, like milky white color it will be. Okay, so next one, it extinguishes a burning splinter. Yes, right now we can also use CO2 gas to put off the fires, right? So it can like create the oxygen deficiency so that the fire will off, right? So that's it. Okay, the next one, it dissolves in a solution of sodium hydroxide. Yes, this is also perfectly correct now. So CO2 gas, upon treating with NaOH, what is the product formed here? We will be getting NaHCO3. So NaHCO, sodium bicarbonate. So this is a component used in the fire extinguishers. Okay, so fire extinguisher cylinders will be seeing now. So in that sodium bicarbonate is used. Okay, so this sodium bicarbonate, along with the sodium bicarbonate, so they will be giving, like putting some acid container inside the cylinder, like sulfuric acid they may put inside it. So what they will do, so whenever we are clicking the knob of that cylinder, so that sulfuric acid container will break down. Okay, that glass jar will break down and falls into this NaHCO3 powder. Therefore, from that cylinder, we will be seeing CO2 gas is evolved. So this CO2 gas will be put off that fire, whatever evolved from that container. Hope it is clear and like you understood everything, right? Now it has a pungent smell. Do you think that is pungent smell? No, CO2 does not have this pungent smell now. So option 4 is incorrect. So what are the correct options? 1, 2, 3. Where do we have 1, 2, 3? 1, 2 and 3. So our option B is the exact answer for this particular question, right? So all 5 questions are clear on that paragraph, right? So now if you really like the content, please click on the like button and also don't forget to subscribe, and you can also share with your friends. Feel free to write your feedback in the comment box. Thank you for watching.